Thank you. And thank you all. Because if I'm here, it means that we have all the same question being answered. We're all in this together.
Just leave them out of it. Stop making it about them.
I'm gonna try not to cry and to be clear about my questions. I have so many, but
give us the big one.
With everything that happened today, Source steps up. And I'm just trying to understand if there are contracts with people before my inner being arrives into this clump of flesh that I am.
You said, let's go forth, give each other a lot of trouble, help us launch desires, and play different roles in our individual evolution forward. That's a general thing that you said.
That was fast. I'll try to comprehend all of that and translate in French in my head.
Get right to the question that's on your mind.
Is it possible? I've been feeling like when I was part of the team with all of you in space somewhere, we had a contract for me to do something.
You see, here's the thing. Yes, of course you did. But we want you to not need some long-time contract to be the justification for what you think you want to do now. It's almost like you're taking a conditional approach to life and put it into the non-physical and trying to conjure a condition that then justifies what you think you want now. Of course, you all had intentions coming in, but it wasn't like, I'll go forth and I'll meet this person and we'll do this thing and we'll feel this way and the earth will respond in this way. It's not like that. That's what humans conjure in order to justify what they want. It was like this. I'll go into this arena with so much diversity and difference, and from it I will come to my own personal conclusions, which will matter because I'm important. And as my conclusions and preferences are born, all that is source energy will back me up in the creation of this newfound realization that I've discovered. So source is coming forward with you. You've not been assigned to things. It's that when you discover the desire, source is there to help you in the evolution of those things that you have decided or that you've discovered here. Not one of you was assigned to anything. And most of the time when you're saying that to each other is because you're trying to prop yourself up as more important than the rest. Oh, this is a mission from God. This is a mission from God, and so you should well listen to the mission that I have from God. The rest of you, you're not old souls like I am. And it's not like that. It's here I am, and life made me want this, and source knows I want it and wants it with me too. And so source is giving undivided attention to this, whatever it is that I've carved out. And when I come into alignment with it, it is allowed into my experience by me, and I'm living the joyful experience. You know what your contract with source was about all of this? Not that you would come forth and save the world doesn't need to be saved. Not that you would come forth and change the world, because the world is constantly changing. Your contract with source, your contract with whatever you want to call this non-physical, that contract says, I'll go forth and I will discover and I will come into alignment, and it will be, because I am a creator. And you have to know from everything that you've heard us ever say, or from everything that we've talked about even here today, source did not give you an assignment of what to want. Source said, here it is, you get to choose. Here it is, you choose. You choose, and when you choose, we will line up with that, and through the love and the support and the energy of the non-physical, it will come about if you allow it. You choose and you allow it, and it will be. Because source is not like your parent who wants to live vicariously through you. Source is already alive. You are the extended version of source, you see. You are source. You are source.